Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're looking for healthy weeknight meal, check out my recipe called honey glazed garlic salmon. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get our salmon marinated first. So these are the salmon pieces. I have washed them and pat dry with the paper towel, just like so. And here are some ingredients that I'll be using tonight. So I have 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 4 to 5 garlic cloves. I have also used 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So let's give that a quick mix and rub it on the salmon pieces. This is purely optional, but if you want, you can just give some gentle pokes to the salmon so that all the spices and our marination goes in nicely. Okay, so this is how that marination looks. Now just dip it in the marination and make sure you give that piece a beautiful layer of marination. Alright, so after marination, this is how it looks. I'm going to keep it aside for 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'll be getting our meal prep done. Alright, so my salmon is marinated well. I have this cast iron pan. There are multiple ways you can do it. You can do it in air fryer or in the pan. So I'm adding some butter. This is optional. You can add oil as well. And look at this beautiful caramelized salmon with some broccoli and rice. I have garnished this with scallions and slice of lime. Enjoy this healthy meal and do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this recipe. See you in the next video. Till